Non-stick coatings on pots, pans, and bakeware might offer some convenience in the kitchen, but come at a cost to our health. They are coated with synthetic polymers, which have been shown to be carcinogenic, disrupt hormones, affect fetal development, cause flu-like symptoms, and even kill birds. As one doctor said, one of the most important steps you can take to improve the health of your family is throw out the non-stick cookware. Cast iron is the original non-stick cookware. Lodge brand cast iron pans come pre-seasoned, but if your cast iron starts to stick, simply fry bacon in it to season it again. Cast iron offers even heat distribution, making it perfect for everything from searing to pan frying to cooking pancakes. Cast iron is able to sear on the stovetop, then transfer to the oven with ease. Cast iron adds iron to the diet, and acidic foods like tomatoes boost the iron content even more. Entire meals can be created in one cast iron skillet or Dutch oven, such as Mediterranean chicken, creamy grits and sausage, and stir fries. A whole chicken placed in a cast iron Dutch oven with a little salt and pepper, cooked low and slow, yields tender meat and a rich broth. Place your cast iron on the lowest rack of your oven for a crisp crust on pizza or focaccia bread. Bake an apple cobbler or healthy scalloped potatoes. There's usually no need to wash cast iron skillets. Simply wipe clean or use a plastic scraper designed for cast iron pans. If you must wash it, dry it thoroughly by placing it in a warm oven or on a warm burner to prevent rusting. All of the benefits already mentioned apply to cast iron grilling grates. Plus, there's nothing quite like the sear marks they create. Check out my channel for lots of wonderful breakfasts, sides, and main dishes cooked in cast iron. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.